everyone, welcome to another episode of My Floating Life. Now, it's been a little while since we've actually done anything, and I want to kind of catch you up as to where I'm at. As you can see, there's walls behind me now. Okay, so since my last episode, I've built up these walls here, and they go right down now. So this is all going to get just cleaned up, and then I'm going to put a little bit of wallpaper up to kind of brighten it up a little bit, and I'm going to put some joists in so I can put a drop ceiling down just so I can get a little lamp up there, and that'll light up this entire area. Now, also, here is the spare room with a lot of junk in it. And you'll remember I put this window in last year, and I've put up some wall paneling now. I'm building a bed here. This is going to be a pull-out bed. So this will go from a twin to a full queen once it's pulled out. And these windows are both going. You can see I put some wall paneling in. I've got the walls insulated for sound, really. Now, right in this area here, I'm actually gonna, this is part of where the bed will pull out to about this area. But when it's pushed in, what I'm gonna have right here is a little seating area and a drawer. So that way, or a cabinet of some sort. I might actually put a little safe in this area. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do here yet. This whole closet area will remain roughly the same size. It's probably going to come out to a little bit wider. I think it'll be about 2 feet. So where this green tape is all the way over here to the wall, this is going to be a desk area with a TV and just a little bit more storage. So, and right here, depending on what guests I have, if it's just a friend of mine or if it's a couple, like my family, then I can pull this bed out to make a queen size bed. The room will be fairly small, but you know what, for some guests, it's actually not going to be too bad. Now, a couple of things. This is the exhaust fan right in here for my bathroom, and it's quite noisy. It will be changed out, but right now it's quite noisy, and you can see that it goes up. So I'm going to adjust that a little bit when I do construction in the bathroom, but more importantly, this whole area under here will be insulated, and that's going to help with any of the sound transferring into this bedroom. So in essence, you won't hear anybody in the bathroom, I guess, which is never a good thing. So also these two windows right here, I'm going to take out. I haven't quite decided. I might actually replace a window in this area, or I might put a little window in this area. And what that'll allow is it'll just allow a cross breeze between this window and this window. What this goes out to is my back deck. And you can see that the windows are all fogged up, which is one of the reasons why they need to be replaced. But this goes out to the back deck. I don't want any guests potentially being disturbed if there's people out on the back deck and let's say somebody's trying to sleep or something like that. I don't know. Sorry that I've lost the video. I've changed computers, and trying to do that, I ended up losing a bunch of video, as well as I think I recorded over some and accidentally deleted some. So there's a whole bunch of things that I did. I would say more than just a brain fart. It was just a complete moment of stupidity. Yeah. So if you have any ideas on what I should do with the back windows and how I should replace that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk about those. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on another episode of My Floating Life. And I lost a bunch of videos, so